Hello SDI students, my name is Martin and in this video we'll be covering the cycle of operations for the AR9. The safety is rotated to the fire position, allowing the trigger to rotate around its axis pin. The next step is to depress the charging handle latch and pull the charging handle backward. The charging handle pulls the bolt backward. The bolt carrier pushes the hammer back and around the hammer axis pin and against hammer spring tension. The hammer rotates past the sear. This is done to ensure positive engagement on the sear. As the charging handle is released, potential energy from the buffer spring pushes the bolt forward. The front bottom edge of the bolt makes contact with the top round in the magazine, pushing it out of the magazine, up one of the feed ramps and into the chamber. As the bolt moves forward, the hammer rotates under pressure from its spring, engages on the sear. The cartridge comes to rest once chambered. The extractor rides over the rim of the case and seats in the extractor groove of the chambered case. The trigger is depressed, which rotates the sear out of engagement with the hammer, allowing the hammer to rotate. The hammer makes contact with the firing pin. The firing pin contacts the percussion cap in the chambered cartridge. Powder in the case burns to create expanding gases. The bullet is pushed out of the case into the rifling and down the barrel. As the bullet exits the barrel, energy from the firing process pushes the bolt backward. The extractor pulls the empty case out of the chamber. The bolt continues moving rearward. The empty case comes into contact with the static ejector. This causes the empty case to rotate around the extractor and out of the weapon. This concludes the cycle of operations for the AR9.